Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the 5 important vitamins to help shrink your enlarged prostate. If you are a man already above certain age and you have an enlarged prostate, you are most likely to be deficient in these 5 important vitamins which I'm going to recommend for you in this video. So you need to start taking them to overcome all of those symptoms of an enlarged prostate: painful urination, urgency, frequent urination, dribbling of urine, leakage of urine, and all other symptoms. So you need to start taking these 5 important nutrients. Okay, now the first one I'm recommending is vitamin D. Now this is very true. A lot of men with an enlarged prostate are very deficient in vitamin D. They do not consume enough vitamin D, and as people are crossing through a certain age like 50, they hardly go out, so they don't receive enough sunlight, so it is very easy for them to be deficient in vitamin D. Now studies show a strong association with low vitamin D and benign prostatic hyperplasia. Now what you need to know is that vitamin D receptors are actually well distributed in your prostate as well as in your bladder. So by taking vitamin D is going to bind to these receptors in your prostate and regulate prostate cell growth as well as reducing inflammation. So vitamin D has anti-proliferative and anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have an enlarged prostate and you are looking for a way to shrink your enlarged prostate, definitely start taking vitamin D. Vitamin D is very, very good for your prostate. Now, where can you get vitamin D? You can get it in foods like fatty fish, you can get it in eggs, you can get it in fortified foods, but the one I'm recommending is actually supplement. Supplement is going to ensure that you get the right dosage. And just for a side note, magnesium is also very important in the activation of vitamin D. So you may also want to be taking magnesium. Now, the next important vitamin which I'm going to talk about is vitamin K2. Now, just like in vitamin D, your body needs vitamin D to absorb calcium. But where does this calcium actually ends up? It ends up in your blood. So you need vitamin K2 to actually push this calcium from your blood into your bone as well as in your teeth where they are needed. And doing that is going to help prevent prostate calcification, which can result in prostatitis as well as lower urinary tract symptoms. So by taking vitamin K2, that is going to ensure that your body moves this calcium from your blood, from your soft tissue to hard tissue like your bone and in your teeth, and that is going to help improve your prostate function. Okay, now one of the best sources of vitamin K2 is actually fermented foods like natto. Natto is very high in vitamin K2, but the one I'm actually recommending for you is the supplement form in the form of MK7. That is the best form of vitamin K2. So start including vitamin K2 into your diet. Now number 3 is vitamin B6. Now, vitamin B6 is a real game changer for hormonal balance. Vitamin B6 helps regulate and balance your testosterone naturally. Vitamin B6 also suppresses the production of estrogen, which also increases your testosterone level. Okay, now vitamin B6 is also very important in producing some key neurotransmitters like serotonin, melatonin, and norepinephrine. Now, where can you get vitamin B6? You can get vitamin B6 in foods like banana, chicken peas, as well as potatoes. Okay, so start taking vitamin B6, but you can also get it in a supplement form. You can also be taking B complex. Now the next important nutrient is vitamin C. Now it is very true that one of the most known properties of vitamin C is its ability to reduce free radicals. Its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C is very powerful antioxidant, and that is going to help reduce oxidation in your prostate. That is going to help reduce inflammation in your prostate. Now, vitamin C has also been found to prevent the expression of testosterone-induced prostate growth by downregulating a molecule called HIF-1 alpha. Vitamin C also helps inhibit the growth as well as the viability of prostate cancer cells. Okay, now the last nutrient which I want to talk about is not actually a vitamin but a mineral, and this nutrient is called zinc. Now, as you may know, the prostate gland actually contains the highest concentration of zinc than any other part and any other tissues of your body. And that is because zinc helps regulate the proper functioning of the prostate as well as the growth of the prostate. Now, one of the major causes of prostate enlargement is due to increased production of this hormone called dihydrotestosterone. And it just so happens that zinc helps control the activity of this hormone. But if you are deficient in zinc, there's going to be an increased expression of this hormone, which causes majority of men to have an enlarged prostate. Okay, so you can say that zinc is very important for your prostate. It's very important in shrinking your enlarged prostate. But if you want to know how to use zinc to shrink your enlarged prostate permanently, I actually have a separate video on that. Definitely check it out.